Welcome to Anzac Highway, Adelaide. At first glance, it looks like nothing special, just another fast food place on the side of the road. But this is actually the site of the very first Burger King in Australia. So, what really did happen all these years? Why did the brand change? This is the trademark story of how Burger King became Hungry Jack's in Australia. In 1962, Don Durvan, an American living in Adelaide, opened a drive-in burger shop and called it Burger King. Now at this time, Burger King was already well known in the US, but here in Australia, almost no one had heard of it. Don was a clever businessman who had borrowed ideas from big US fast food chains. His menu even had a Kentucky Golden Fried Chicken with the tagline, "It's finger-licking good," years before KFC officially arrived in Australia. To secure his position, Don registered the Burger King trademark in Australia. And under the law back then, whoever registered and used the trademark first became the legal owner, even if the name was copied from overseas. So while Burger King USA owned the trademark in the US, it had no rights down under. Lesson 1. Trademark protection is territorial, so you need to register your brand in every country where you plan to do business. In 1971, Jack Cohen, a Canadian-born businessman who had recently moved to Australia, secured the master franchise rights from Burger King. Don agreed to sell his restaurants, but refused to sell them the trademark. That left the company owning the stores, but still unable to use the Burger King name. So Jack and Pillsbury had to rebrand. They looked through Pillsbury's trademark portfolio and one stood out. Hungry Jack, a pancake mix brand. Jack added an apostrophe S, making it Hungry Jack's. And he liked it straight away because it carried his own name. And Jack opened the first Hungry Jack's in Perth, and the brand quickly became a hit with Australians. By the 1990s, Don was long out of the picture. His trademark lapsed in 1995, and Burger King USA quickly registered it for themselves. With the name finally in their hands, Burger King USA launched new outlets in Australia, directly competing against their own franchisee, Jack. They froze his expansion plans, accused him of breaking the franchise agreement, and opened Burger King branded stores to challenge him. Jack fought back, and after years of litigation, the Supreme Court of New South Wales ruled in his favor in 2001, awarding him nearly $70 million in damages. Now, following the loss, Burger King USA rebranded all 81 of its outlets to Hungry Jack's, handed operations back to Jack, and committed an extra $150 million to expand his network with 150 new restaurants. By then, Hungry Jack's had become the stronger brand in Australia. Even though Burger King finally owned the name, it was too late. Australians already loved Hungry Jack's. The Hungry Jack's name connected with Aussies better, and they believed that Hungry Jack's burgers were bigger. That sense of better value, plus the feeling that Hungry Jack's was more local than foreign, made the brand a national favorite. Today, the chain has more than 440 stores nationwide and employs nearly 20,000 people. What started as a trademark problem became one of Australia's best-known success stories. Listen to what customers really want and which brands they trust more. Never forget that the customer is king, unless of course, they prefer Jack. At MARKPORT, we don't only help you register your trademarks, we help you plan your entry into the Australian market. If someone has registered a trademark similar to your name first, we can help you rebrand in a way that feels consistent with your original trademark. If you have any questions, please visit our website below and leave us a message. Also, share your brand story with us so we can learn from each other and help each other make our mark in Australia.